Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can change table row height at once in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have added my table to this Word document and I'm going to show you how we can change the row height at once. If we want to do that, we can go to the table layout menu. You can select your table like this and then go to the table layout. Okay, and here guys, you will be able to change your table row height at once, and I'm going to increase the height like this. Okay, now it's done. As you can see guys, that my row height has been changed. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change table row height at once in Microsoft Word. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.